I bet you didn't know these clever tricks could make your life easier. Let's get started. Unclog that pesky drain with a simple mix of baking soda and vinegar. Pour half a cup of each, wait 15 minutes, then flush with hot water. Voila! Got stinky shoes. Sprinkle some baking soda inside and let it sit overnight. Shake it out in the morning for fresh kicks. Stubborn stickers? No problem. Dab a bit of cooking oil, wait a few minutes and wipe away the goo. Keep bananas fresh longer by wrapping their stems in plastic wrap or foil. No more speedy ripening. Need a quick wrinkle fix? Toss a few ice cubes in the dryer with your clothes for 10 minutes. Wrinkles be gone. Struggling with a tight jar lid? A thick rubber band provides extra grip to twist it open easily. Water rings on wood? Blast them with a hairdryer on medium heat. Finish with a touch of olive oil or polish. And for a fresh-smelling fridge, place a bowl of used coffee grounds inside. Bye-bye odors, that's it. Try these hacks and thank me later.